Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. Before starting video, I request to my loyal viewers that if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and select option all so that you can get notification of every coming video. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is don't show me tantrums. Don't show me tantrums. मुझे नखरे मत दिखाओ. Second, terrorism has become very common. Terrorism has become very common. दहशतगर्दी बहुत आम हो चुकी है. 3. The queen renounced her throne. The queen renounced her throne. मलिका ने अपना तख्त छोड़ दिया. 4. Don't move. Don't move. हिलो मत. 5. I don't like taciturn people. I don't like taciturn people. मुझे बदतमीज़ लोग पसंद नहीं. 6. Her attitude is convivial. Her attitude is convivial. उसका इखलाक बहुत खुश मिजाज है. 7. Parents have great compassion for their children. Parents have great compassion for their children. वालदैन को अपने बच्चों से बहुत हमदर्दी है. 8. What's wrong with eating leftovers? What's wrong with eating leftovers? बचे हुए खाने में क्या बुराई है. 9. Don't eat his oatmeal. Don't eat his oatmeal. उसका जूठा खाना मत खाओ. The last one is 10. Don't eat stale food. Don't eat stale food. बासी खाना मत खाओ. Stale mean बासी. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it. See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.